Hey everybody, it's Grouchy Amy and Super Grumpy. Join us on our bike adventure today at Starkey Wilderness Park in Newport Richey in fabulous Pasco County. So as we get started here, we parked at one of the 4 restrooms in the day use area of the park. We're going to be doing the solar system trail today. This park was named for the rancher J.B. Starkey, and he ran cattle across the pine woods and prairies near here. The park itself is over 8,300 acres, and there's 19,000 acres of watershed in the Starkey Preserve. It's located close to Newport Richey, but it's a great recreation area. And no matter whether you're looking for an easy hike, an overnight in the backcountry, miles of off-road trails for the bikes, or paved paths to cycle, they've got it all here. The park also features several camping options for groups and individuals. They have primitive as well as hookups. There's day-use picnic areas, there's a playground, an environmental education center, and lots of bird information. Campers are welcome. You just have to call in advance to reserve a site, and they welcome dogs as long as the dogs are on a 6-foot leash. Welcome to our solar system. With passion for promoting interactive learning and stirring imaginations, Investigation Station is proud to present its first permanent outdoor exhibit. Use your body and mind to travel from the sun to Pluto. We're starting on our bikes at the sun. Very quickly, we pass Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The first 4 planets happen in less than 1/10 of a mile. We get to the 5th planet, Jupiter, at about a half a mile. This entire exhibit, called the Solar System Trail, was created with the assistance of many members of the Pasco County community. It's a 1.3-mile scaled model of our solar system. The Sun, 8 planets, and 1 subplanet, Pluto, have been included. Each sign in the exhibit has a graphic art image of the solar body on one side and out of this world facts about it on the back. Here are some fun facts about our sun. The sun rotates approximately once every 26 days. It is 4.5 billion years old. Light travels from the sun to the earth in 8 minutes and 19 seconds. The sun is so large that 1 million Earths could fit inside of it. Here's a fun fact about Mercury. Its orbit around the sun takes only 88 Earth days, but its rotation is slow, lasting almost 176 Earth days. That makes its day twice as long as its year. Did you know that Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and mass and gravitational pull? However, Venus rotates clockwise and quite slowly. Most of the planets in our solar system rotate counterclockwise. The Earth is a unique planet in our solar system because of its abundance of water and diversity of life. Life on Earth depends on the sun for survival. Earth's crust and mantle are divided into huge plates that are constantly moving. The North American plate moves west at about the same rate that our fingernails grow. This is Mars. It's often referred to as the red planet. The color comes from the surface being comprised of iron-rich minerals that rust. Even though Mars is about half the size of Earth, it has about the same amount of dry land. Mars also has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. Did you know that Galileo discovered Jupiter in 1610? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It also has the most moons, 64. 50 are confirmed official moons, and 14 are provisional moons that we have not had their orbits confirmed yet. Here's some fun facts about Saturn. Its largest moon, called Titan, is the second largest moon in the entire solar system. It's just slightly larger than Mercury. Wind speeds on Saturn can reach 1,100 miles per hour. That's more than a Florida hurricane. And Saturn is the most distant planet that is visible to the naked eye. Let's learn some fun facts about Uranus now. It was the first planet discovered with the aid of a telescope. Due to the tilt of the axis, each of the seasons on Uranus lasts almost 21 years. Uranus has a moon called Miranda. It's only 300 miles in diameter, but it has a ridge on its surface that's taller than Mount Everest. Let's learn about Neptune. It was actually the first planet found by mathematical prediction rather than by observation of the sky. Neptune's moon, Triton, has geysers that spew icy materials upwards more than 5 miles into the air. And in 1989, the spacecraft Voyager 2 was able to send back images of a large storm referred to as the Great Dark Spot, which is large enough to hold the entire Earth. Final planet today is Pluto. Pluto was considered a planet until 2006, when it became classified as a dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are identified by their lack of gravitational strength and usually end up orbiting the sun like other objects in zones such as asteroids. But we all know Pluto has its place. And if you followed Grouchy Amy's illustrious acting career, you will remember that I was actually Pluto in the third grade production of the solar system. This path does continue for many miles. We rode out to about the 4-mile point and then came back. Please enjoy as we return to the starting point from Pluto all the way back to the sun.
Pluto. Neptune. Uranus. Saturn. Jupiter. Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, and finally the Sun.